Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're just passing by, please consider subscribing so that you get notified of future videos. Please like this video to motivate me to continue making videos for you guys, and also to ensure that Google or YouTube promotes this video so that other people who need the help can see the video. It's all that I ask of you. You don't pay for anything, you don't do any, I don't ask you for anything. Just liking this video, leaving a comment. If you have thoughts, if you have questions, leave a comment. I will try my best to answer them in the future videos. If you are looking to download stuff, there are two links in the description box below where you can go to the blogs and download strategies, indicators, robots, and things like that. Okay, so let's get into today's topic. So somebody in a previous video, which is why I'm making this video, I'm actually waiting for somebody who has just got into a shop, so I decided to just quickly make this video. It's probably going to be rough, but I just had to answer to that question. Somebody asked what's the easiest way to determine the pairs to trade, their direction, and basically they want an idea of a tip to make money in Forex. Probably the easiest tip that I can give to somebody about making money in Forex. So the easiest tip goes like this. First of all, forget about all of this. Don't worry yourself about all of this. Here's what I would do, what I would tell you if you are my brother or my cousin or my relative. I would say get rid of all the other pairs and only remain with pairs like Euro USD, Aussie USD, or the US dollar pairs. Only remain with US dollar pairs. That's the first step. After that, go into your MetaTrader, whether it's CFD futures or CFD cash. My broker, the links are in the description box below. This is XM. You look for what's called USDX. I've seen some brokers call it USDXY. Basically it's the US dollar index. So basically look at what your broker calls the US dollar index. Forget about the red and lime stuff on the screen there. I'm testing somebody's theory. I might share it with you in a coming video, but forget about the lime and the red. Just listen to what I'm saying. So this is the US dollar index, and today is Tuesday the 13th of October 2020, in case you are watching this video in 2050. So you can tell, you don't need somebody to tell you this, but the US dollar index has been bullish. You can tell that it has been bullish. So I said, first of all, get rid of all other pairs and only remain with US dollar pairs. Your Euro USD, your Aussie USD, or USD JPY, GBP USD, things like that. Then after that, get the US dollar index. This is simplest tip for somebody who wants to make money in Forex and they don't know where to start. Now, the US dollar index is your compass, is your guiding compass. If you don't know, you just woke up and you don't know whether you're going to be selling or buying Euro USD, or whether you're going to be selling or buying GBP USD, just open the US dollar index. It will tell you. If you can analyze US dollar index, I promise you, you'll be able to make money with all those US dollar pairs. So here you can tell it's bullish. So what does it mean? It means the US dollar is strong. It's bullish. The US dollar is bullish. Now, what are we expecting? Obviously, gold, for example. Gold should be very bearish. Let's look at the chart. Let's look for gold. This is not rocket science, guys. There's gold. Gold dropped massively. Gold was bearish. Why? Because the US dollar is strong. If you have been around Forex, you know the relationship between gold and the US dollar. When the US dollar is strong, gold is weak. When gold is strong, the US dollar is weak, because people use either one of them as a store of value. So now that the US dollar is strong, according to the dollar index, we are also expecting what? The pound to be weak, because the dollar is strong. Let's look for GBP USD. GBP USD, there. You didn't need to crack your head for that. You did not need to crack your... We are also expecting the euro to be weak. Why? Because the dollar is strong. So Euro USD is going to be what? Bearish. Let's look for Euro USD. It's bearish. Let's look for USD JPY. We are going to expect it to be bullish. Why? Because the dollar is strong. Let's look for USD JPY. There. Let's look for another USD pair. The New Zealand dollar is bearish. We are looking for USD Swiss. It's bullish. Because why? The US dollar index is bullish. The US dollar is strong. So if you just woke up on a day and you don't even know where to start, you don't even know how to do your charts for the day, but you just want to make money, I would say just analyze the dollar index. If you get it right, you can make money on all US dollar pairs, including gold and silver. You don't need all those other funny Forex pairs. You just need those US dollar pairs, gold, silver, done. And what's your compass? The US dollar index. Whatever the US dollar index is going to tell you in your analysis is what's going to be happening with all the US dollar pairs. So if it's bullish, it means that day every pair that starts with USD we are buying, and every pair that has USD on the right we are selling. And if the US dollar index is bearish, if it's down, it means every pair that starts with USD we are selling, and every pair that has USD on the right we are buying. It's simple, straightforward. You don't need to be an astronaut or a physics professor to be able to do this. So just my quick tip, if you want to make money in Forex and you don't know where to start, just load your USD pairs, gold and silver included, and analyze the US dollar index. From there you'll get direction for all those pairs and you'll be able to make your money. Like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, leave a comment, leave questions. Until next time, let's make this money. Bye.